Can we really be happy all the time? This question has captivated philosophers and everyday people for centuries. It's a tantalizing thought to experience a perpetual state of joy and contentment. But is it truly attainable? Human emotions are complex and ever-changing. We experience a wide spectrum of feelings, from the heights of elation to the depths of sorrow. To expect constant happiness is like expecting the sun to shine every single day, regardless of the weather patterns. Life is full of ups and downs, triumphs and setbacks. It's these very contrasts that give texture and meaning to our existence. Instead of chasing an elusive state of constant happiness, perhaps we should focus on cultivating a life filled with moments of joy, contentment, and meaning. Let's explore the different facets of happiness and how we can find a sense of balance and fulfillment in our lives. Happiness is not a one-size-fits-all concept. What brings one person joy may leave another indifferent. For some, happiness might be found in the excitement of a bustling social life. For others, it might be the quiet contentment of a solitary pursuit. To understand how to cultivate happiness, we need to break it down into its key components. Think of happiness as a multifaceted gem, with each facet representing a different area of our lives. These facets might include work, finding purpose and satisfaction in our careers; family, nurturing loving and supportive relationships with our loved ones; friends, cultivating meaningful connections with those who enrich our lives; hobbies, engaging in activities that bring us joy and relaxation; money, achieving financial security and freedom; business, finding success and fulfillment in our entrepreneurial endeavors. Each of these facets contributes to our overall sense of well-being. Imagine a wheel with each facet of happiness representing a spoke. For the wheel to roll smoothly, each spoke must be strong and in balance with the others. If one spoke is weak or overemphasized, the wheel will become wobbly and difficult to navigate. The same principle applies to our lives. If we neglect certain areas of our lives, such as our relationships or our health, our overall happiness will suffer. Conversely, if we become overly focused on one area, such as work, we risk neglecting other important aspects of our well-being. Finding balance is key. It's about making time for the things that matter most and ensuring that no single area of our lives overshadows the others. Section 4. Work-life harmony, finding the sweet spot. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of work. Many of us spend long hours at the office, tethered to our devices and constantly striving for success. While work can be a source of purpose and fulfillment, it's essential to maintain a healthy work-life balance. Setting boundaries between work and personal time is crucial. This might involve establishing designated work hours, minimizing distractions during non-work hours, and creating rituals that help you transition from work mode to relaxation mode. Remember, taking breaks and prioritizing self-care is not selfish. It's essential for maintaining your well-being and productivity in the long run. Section 5. Nurturing relationships. The cornerstone of happiness. Humans are social creatures, hardwired for connection. Strong relationships with family, friends, and loved ones provide us with a sense of belonging, support, and love. Making time for meaningful connections is crucial for our happiness and well-being. This might involve scheduling regular phone calls with loved ones, planning outings with friends, or simply making an effort to be fully present when spending time with family. Small gestures of kindness and appreciation can go a long way in strengthening our bonds and cultivating a sense of love and connection in our lives. Section 6. The power of me time, cultivating hobbies and interests. In the midst of our busy lives, it's easy to lose sight of our own needs and desires. Carving out time for ourselves is not a luxury, but a necessity. It's during these moments of solitude that we can recharge, reconnect with our passions, and pursue activities that bring us joy. Whether it's reading, painting, hiking, or simply enjoying a cup of tea in silence, make time for activities that nourish your soul. Hobbies and interests provide an outlet for creativity, stress relief, and personal growth.